Wetin you go talk say be the most challenging thing psychologically, mentally, anyhow, for the average woman in Nigeria today?
Average woman?
Yeah, average woman.
Lack of support.
Yekpa.
Lack of support, because e be like say the society dey come at us gbas. You go find woman wey be say genuinely she dey work hard, but people go say na man dey fund her. All of those things dey kill person, because you know say na work e dey work. People too dey judge us. You go see woman, you go say, oh, she wan take over, she wan. No, make man see say we no dey try, we just wan live our life. We just wan protect ourselves, because society no really dey protect us like that. So we need to do things, get our own money, so that if you need hospital, if you need it, you no be say man go tell you say today I dey vex because I tell you say make you cook okra, yesterday you cook ogbono. So because I no go give you money. Times don change, because things dey move. So make man just see say when woman dey strive, say she wan make her life better, no be say she wan compete, na because she really wan make her life better. And if her life better, woman na the center of every society.
Yeah.
There's a wild abuse of antibiotics by the youngins right now. As in, it's wild.
That one a serious problem. And when people go to pharmacy and chemist, and that's why some society, you know, if you just go to any chemist, pharmacy,
to buy antibiotics,
you know, treat condition. Anytime you go buy this amoxicillin today, you use and treat that medicine, the disease where they worry you. The next week, nobody say you need antibiotics, but you think, say, you know, I know they feel well, you go buy them again. After some time, your body go dey tolerance around. So if you really need antibiotics to cure that disease where you get go, you know, go work.
They say aesthetic surgery pandemic. What's your take on it?
It's a pandemic. It's a serious wahala. Because you find young girls, 22, 23, already changing their futures.
Sadly enough.
Changing so many things, doing all this.
Sadly enough.
You know, tummy tuck, BBL, already changing their futures, lip fillers, all of those things affect your hormones. They affect you, they change your cells.
And we be 89.9 Yanga FM.
No be say now man supposed to provide. No be only man supposed to provide now, because the economy don't change. Sometimes now woman the money come. Yeah, apart from that, because we feel there on social media, so sometimes opportunity they come, right? So if the man support the woman, both of them as family go far. So, but woman now pay attention to the red flags, because some of these men, they won't keep you for house. They won't make you get money. Why you want marry somebody who be saying an engineer? She go school, become engineer.
Yeah.
Or she go school to become doctor. But you can't marry her, won't put her for house. Why? If you don't say you want marry one woman, where be say you won't keep for her, marry the one where no go college. Marry woman where be say she won't stay for house. Because now it cause friction. She don't want stay for house. She won't go out there go work, because she don't put this work in to go school. Now you can't tell her, say me she go there happy. And you won't come back from work, make she meet you with smile. She don't go fit. Because inside of her, you the
she's
killer.
Not happy.
She's not. So we need to not be stay you now waiting and talk now it go happen. No, we need to talk and look at each other's waiting we want. Ask your wife, waiting if you do what could make you happy. Sometimes you think say they do waiting go good for my family, but not be the thing where your family need be that, because waiting each family need different. So we don't be just say, my friend John, I saw they tell him wife. You know me say go work for your own family, because each family dynamics different.
Madam, God will bless you more than you anticipate, because this thing where they tell us is good. I want our men to listen more to what Madam Yewande is saying, because a lot of us get this kind of mindset. At times can be tradition. At times it is a culture. At times it is the environment. I always say one thing: men don't cry, but they shed tears. And they've always disagreed with me. Now the way they raise me, I'm sorry. No apologies though. But at the end of the day, waiting you go talk say be the most challenging thing psychologically, mentally, anyhow, for the average woman in Nigeria today.
Average woman?
Yeah, average woman.
Lack of support.
Yekpa.
Lack of support, because it be like say the society they come at us gbas. You go find woman where we say genuinely she dey work hard, but people go say na man dey fund her. All of those things they kill person, because you know say na work it dey work. People too they judge us. You go see woman, you go say, oh, she won't take over. She won't. No, make man see say we know they try. We just want to live our life. We just want to protect ourselves, because society not really they protect us like that. So we need to do things, get our own money, so that if you need hospital, if you need it, you know, be say man go tell you say today I dey vex because I tell you say make you cook okra, yesterday you cook ogbono. So because I no go give you money. Times don't change, because things they move. So make man just see say when woman dey strive say she wan make her life better, no be say she wan compete, na because she really wan make her life better. And if her life better, woman na the center of every society.
Yeah.
If woman life better, e go trickle down. The children go dey happy, husband go dey happy, everybody go dey do their own thing happily. No see us as competition, see us as partner. Wey be say we wan elevate you. We fit elevate ourselves. Why we dey elevate you too? I dey sit down here dey talk to una now because my husband support me. If you no support me, I no go fit sit down here.
Yeah.
Give this knowledge. So we get things where we feel contribute because it's important. Don't look as though I say maybe just sit down and they cook for us. No be so we want to. We want contribute positively to the society.
But I started seeing it this way too. You know, still fit see and say the society itself, it filled with competition. Like people they compete with each other. So I said one gender. Now this is a normal thing when they go on. Don't turn normal because it's not actually supposed to be a normal thing. But a normal thing when they go on for with society and they affect both gender. You know, see like that too.
I see like that too. It happen because everybody it won't be me.
Only me.
It don't change.
Only me.
It don't change. Before now us. Before everybody they carry society. Before if you find one way you go tell your neighbor say now so we they do. Now things don't change. Everybody just want to on social media they drive the Bentley. You don't want to carry people along because sometimes you go carry people along now they go cause you trouble.
Yeah.
So everything now they go backstab you. So everybody just they try to protect themselves. Why then they help their society too. So the problem now, everybody, we must change our mind. Mindset say no be say so compete. We feel just collaborate. Say you bring this, you bring that.
Yeah.
May we work together. Now so we feel build the society. All the Google society where they do well. Now because everybody contribute together. If not, you go just find one area they do okay, another area nothing there.
Yeah.
Nothing there.
Before we go on, something which I'm going to apologize for, what we supposed don't do earlier on is that if people want to get because we know if you ask all the question finish, like if people want to get across to you, how can they do it?
So I get social media. Where we say they always teach about all these women's health.
I want carry Bible.
Okay.
I go ahead, man.
Okay, so this social media they always talk about all these women issues, fibroid, PCOS, all kind of mental health. Where we say women they go through. That's one way. I also get phone number where we say people feel book. Call me, book consultation.
When we do that social media,
okay.
How to forward it to my wife?
Yes, yeah.
Go ahead, madam.
The social media na Serenera, so SERENA wellness.
I get network.
Again for the other.
Okay. So SE.
Madam, let me do the honors. I have it now.
Absolutely.
It is SE. S for snake.
Woman mechanic.
E for egg. R for romoke. E for egunje. And then let's come back. I'll continue. Make people chop that one. All right, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, friends and well-wishers. Before we go for that quick music break, I was about to expose you to a different lifestyle, and it is all about women wellness. You know me, say as a man, you know suppose get this social media handle because it will help your relationship last longer. It is SERENARAWELLNESS. That's how do you call it, madam? I don't go bite myself.
Serenara wellness.
Lobaton.
Serenara wellness.
You go know how.
Now women supporting women.
So,
no, you know, suppose I won't have this lady. I beg.
Quick.
You know, Hassa Gen Z, they don't like it though, but you can't take it from the girl. There's a wild abuse of antibiotics by the youngins right now. As in, it's wild.
That one a serious problem. And when people go to pharmacy and chemist, and that's why some society, if you just go to any chemist, pharmacy,
to buy antibiotics,
fit. Because the problem be say we get limited selection of antibiotics where we feel used to treat condition. Anytime you go buy this amoxicillin today, you use and treat that medicine, the disease where they worry you. The next week, nobody say you need antibiotics, but you think say, I know they feel well, you go buy them again. After some time, your body go dey tolerance around. So if you really need antibiotics to cure that disease where you get go, it no go work. Now, waiting we dey call antibiotic resistance be that, and that's serious wahala because if you can't get if you dey resistance to multiple antibiotics, that means say we no go fit cure you be that too. Now, serious problem. I know say people feel say, I fit take antibiotics anyhow. You no fit. You better off if they feel all right. try to drink water, try to take vitamins, eat better food, try to manage am first. Make sure say na disease wey need antibiotics go because if na virus, antibiotics no fit cure am. And you don take antibiotics, you don waste am. Your body don dey mark am, say okay, I don know this one. Another time you get another virus, you get cough and cold. Sometimes no be antibiotics dey help am. Na just water and rest, na it go help am, vitamin C. But you dey take antibiotics all the time. E dey cause problem. No be only say your body go dey resistant. E fit damage your liver, e fit damage your kidney too, and that one na double wahala.
Before we go on, madam, today we hope we can cover as much as possible. No forget, in case you get something wey you wan know about, wey we no fit talk about today, abeg go on Instagram, go for SERENARA Wellness. I cannot call
Serenara Wellness.
One more.
Yeah.
Maybe you like burger. Serenara.
Wait.
Wait.
Ask that your own
I don't ask question. We won't go for break.
When we want talk. You know, saying it gets on part of the country. Be say if woman they born so one gender, they go see the woman get fault. Please, the gender of a child is based on.
It's based on the man. That's basic now.
Man.
Not be everybody know amo.
So make I tell everybody, the gender of a child na man. Woman na XX we dey carry, which means say XX na girl. Man dey carry XY. So if you want born, one go come from man, one go come from woman. If X come from man, automatically because na only X woman get,
na woman.
If Y come from man, because na X woman get,
na
man. Nothing. Woman no get any power.
Any say
in whether you go born man or woman.
Ladies and
so
gentlemen,
no dey blame us.
Let's quickly go for this break. You don't hear now. You wait, they say you dey find man. You don't born for girls. You don't take bad eye look at your wife. Now you are not producing I won't say Yahoo. Why? We dey come, ladies and gentlemen. Don't go anywhere. Ladies and gentlemen, Charlie Poppy there with the song we titled Lahore. With me say I beg, and with that we dey beg every man, every woman to take this social media handle again on Instagram. SERENARA Wellness. Serenara. I get them. Thank God that medicine they work. But ladies and gentlemen, in case you are wondering, we still get in the Wetin Dey house a very distinguished person where we say now basically women's health, which is a very, very, very great cause of concern. But before we let you go, ma, because time is flying, what do you have to say about fibroid? It's one of the most headacheish condition for a woman, and a lot of men go look say abeg see your belly. What do you have to say about fibroid?
So fibroid dey common among women pass as people even know themselves. Wow. Because some women don't even know say they get fibroid. Now when they want born pikin and then they go do ultrasound find say they get fibroid. So if you be black woman and want make it get at the back of your mind say you fit get fibroid. And some of the symptoms where they show now when you go to see your period, where we say go they pass 5-7 days.
Wow.
That period go dey heavy, where we say go they change pad every 2 to 3 hours. If you see your period and they pain you're not supposed to get period pain with period, so you know normal. But because so many people they get painful period, we think say because Shade they get and you get no, you know normal. So the problem where we get be say most of the time people know to they talk quick, say something they bother them. So by the time they go talk, go down too big. So the things where we go feel do go they limited. Now why we say some people when they come now the only thing where we feel give them a surgery, but surgery not be the only way where they feel cure them. Right? Not be cure and manage them. So, okay. But if you don't wait too long, you don't get too big.
You don't kakaraka.
You know, so at that time, the things what we feel do, they limited. So what I go tell women be say, pay attention to your children, your small children as they decide their period. Because they don't know what they do them. If their period too they heavy, if every time they go tell you every time when they get a period their back they pain them, they don't feel they walk. Don't be say then just they act say girls
you know one walk.
Don't be so. Now the thing they worry them true. Make you take them go see a doctor. We go do ultrasound or test them. Make sure say no be fibroid, because if we catch them early, we feel manage them better. Because if the fibroid feels small like grain of rice and if it big like watermelon, it depends. Wow. But they start big like watermelon. It start small.
So the earlier the better.
Yeah, sigma day where say people know to they talk. Anything where they happen, people just they pray. Sometimes now just biology, go see doctor so that we go give you things where they manage.
And the earlier the better.
The earlier the better for everybody.
So and this statement say fibroid dey every woman body, not truth.
Most women body it
okay,
no be every woman. One research day where we say we bring for America, we show say 80% of black women go get fibroid by the age of 50. 80%.
So it's more of a black person thing than a Caucasian thing.
They're more prominent in black people.
What about breast cancer? Because I know a lot of women, some of them say it is genetic, some of them, Angelina Jolie had to go and cut off her breast, with all due respect, because of breast cancer. What would you advise to women on breast cancer?
So breast cancer, I want to make everybody to do that breast exam every month.
I won't help one person, they don't allow me, but go on, man.
So I want to make everybody, they check their breast every month. You get out with a pressed breast every month. After your period, make you they check your breast. And you get on YouTube, if you go on YouTube, you go see how to do breast exam. Because just like everything else, if we catch them early, we get things we do. We get all this genetics testing too, where we do, we go see whether they carry some specific breast cancer. And Angelina Jolie get, and make a cut off her breast. So you get some resources where we say people do. Sometimes say nothing, you go do everything, you go still get them. But if you pay attention, if your breast they pain you, no just say, oh, maybe my period they come. If your breast they pain you and it don't come out after period don't come, go see doctor.
For God's sake.
We they do mammogram they save life. Maybe we do mammogram every year. The recommendation I say maybe they do mammogram for age 40. Every year they do mammogram. But if your mama don't get breast cancer before, that year don't shift forward. Because if your mama get them, genetically you fit get them too.
But you get any common cause for breast cancer?
Or fibroid?
See, we know fit say get common cause. Sometimes those cells go just
misbehave.
Abnormal. Sometimes the hormones, sometimes the toxins, the things we eat, plastics. Too many of us they use plastic bottle, plastic plate. All those things,
microwave food with plastic.
So all those things they leach toxin into our system where they make those cells misbehave. So we feel the thing where we do, we say come out, limit the plastic where we do. They use glass. Eat better food. They sleep well. They exercise. Many of us we just eat, sit down, brekete. We know they exercise. We know they do anything.
They watch
everywhere.
They watch the world.
Everybody go just sit down. They watch Big Brother Nigeria. You go chop. As they want people, they try skip. They exercise not supposed they expensive. Not be say you supposed go gym. No, if you get skipping rope, they skip. For inside your compound, you feel they walk. So difference is what we say we go they move this body. As they move the body, they allow your body detox all those toxins
naturally.
But if you don't detox, they walk out, they sweat, nothing they happen. And you they exposed to all these toxins, you go to sit down, and so they change. Now we say they change all those cells with that. And like I said, some people, not be people fault too.
Yeah.
I don't want people to say, oh, now your fault say you get cancer. Maybe they clear. Sometimes you go do everything right, still get cancer.
No, God.
This last one, relax. Do the counts. I'm talking about your girls. They say aesthetic surgery pandemic. What's your take on it?
It's a pandemic. It's a serious wahala. Because you find young girls, 22, 23, already changing their futures.
Sadly enough.
Changing so many things. Doing all this.
Sadly enough.
Tummy tuck, BBL, already changing their futures, lip fillers, all of those things affect your hormones. They affect you. They change your cells. So sometimes if you do things like some people they do them where we say okay they can't eat better food, they manage them. Some people now the only money for BBL they don't get money for better food. So now you can't take wahala join wahala because after the BBL now you get infection.
Double wahala for dead body and only of dead body.
But sometimes some workers there where we say if you do them well, you feel begin they get small yash.
With all due respect, NBC no verse so before they go give us query now. So ladies and gentlemen, we have overstepped our bounds seriously. But me say if you get across to her with all things being equal, don't forget you can get across to her at SERE Serenara Wellness. I like that. SERENARA Wellness. And I would like to say a big thank you to you, Madam Banire, and the patience where your husband gets with you. I pray to God, say me say I go get with my madam, because they say with patience you can boil water, you can boil stone where you go fit chop am. And very very quickly, what's your message to everybody? Very quickly, madam.
Make you take care of your health.
Simple. I like that.
Take care of your health. That's it. If you get plenty problem, if health enter them, everything take over.
You forget everything.
So if we know that, take care of your health.
What about to our men? Very quickly, madam.
Take care of your health too.
Simple.
Ask for help if you need it. Men, they talk say, maybe no get shame, maybe no, ask for help. No need. They think say everything now just people just they attack you. No, take care of yourself. Mental health now for both man
and woman. Ladies and gentlemen, we hope in more ways than one you'll be able to be informed, educated, and of course entertained, courtesy of Ngejuro and Awolo. And we hope and pray that everything wey Madam Yewande Banire don tell us today, we start putting it into practice, because health is wealth. Wealth is not just money in your pocket. Wealth is the ability to think ahead, think properly, and be a better citizen. And to everybody wey dey with Madam Yewande Banire, God will bless you all. I dey always talk something, say success, failure depends on the people around you. God will bless all of them. To all our V-Mix crew, those ones, we'll buy them one meat pie and one pure water. They go dey okay. Till tomorrow, ladies and gentlemen, like we always say on Wetin Dey, don't forget we are on YouTube, we are on Instagram, TikTok, X, formerly Twitter, and we have a website. All these and much more. Keep on listening. You will get across. On behalf of the Wetin Dey family, Wetin Dey crew, like we always say before we leave, we say God bless you, God bless me, and God bless the Federal Republic of Nigeria. See you sooner than you think.
And we be 89.9 Yanga FM.